POV, you can't afford Minecraft. Well, how are you playing it? What is that? What is Wool Village? Why is everything wool? What is this fake Minecraft? Yo. This guy's put black wool. What the? Yo, what? Is that all wool? Yo, just jump in the... What is that? That's supposed to be gold? Okay, cool. I mean, you got pearls, so that's like the good part, but why is everything else just wool? Okay, you're back in... What is going on? Yo, you just jumped in lava, bro. I'm so confused. What is this? Nice. Why are they 2 blocks high? Why is the Ender Dragon a bat? Hello?